door, we'll find desert.
There's no one here, it's just us. सुबह ज्योग्राफी क्लास दे रहा है बेसागर 4-5 बार गिर के. Hi guys, welcome to the new vlog. In this vlog we are exploring the desert, the sand dunes of Oman, and for that we are gonna go with this really cool company which I found through Instagram. Not this company, but it's Safari Desert Camp.
The moment we open this door, we'll find desert.
No, it's not the magical door. The first impression, their dates and everything, carpet. Hello. Sorry. No. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So we're gonna go to the desert now.
Yes. There is like 10 or 8 kilometers is good road,
Okay.
but 18 kilometers is off road.
Off-roading, correct.
Yes.
Yeah. So I cannot do that,
Yeah, that's
unfortunately.
why for the Shalom car is not possible.
Yeah.
To do. So I give you the one maps
Yeah.
and for the direction.
Yeah. Can you show me the map?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the maps. How to reach the camp.
Yeah.
And this
Okay.
the,
By yourself.
Yes, by yourself.
Okay. Cool. So I think if you
Yeah.
have your own car and if you want to drive by yourself, it's really helpful to know the maps, because desert mein I don't think there is any internet.
Yes.
So you may get stuck. So there's always a good chance to do this. I think you've been like really helpful with all the information. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we can I think go and get started with our day. I think there'll be like so many activities to do with camel ride, and then there's a 4x4, there's a
And,
sandboard.
doing Asian also.
Yeah, so many things we are going to cover today. So let's go, let's get started. Okay, let's go, Mohammed. We've parked our car and now we are going in a bigger car to the desert with Mohammed. Let's go. So excited for the desert.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my god.
Last of the desert with beach and desert together and the sea.
Really? Oh my god.
One,
That's Oasis.
what is that?
No?
One road going? Yeah. They are separate from the desert on the road. Okay. And another same, the desert.
My goodness. We've taken like a break, a photo break in the middle of the desert, and itna silence hai. And here जो भी थोड़ा बहुत greens that you can see, it's because it rained. So desert में पूरा मिट्टी है. I mean screen पे sorry. Desert पे तो मिट्टी ही होगी. But look at this. There's no one here. It's just us. My God.
Water.
Met
Ma.
2 camel friends
My.
जो पीछे गए अभी. We've almost arrived. You already see like a few camels. Thank you. Yeah, let's go.
You will be joining us, right? Yes.
We'll come to the Safari Desert
the fastest rider in the desert.
Camp.
Welcome to Safari Desert
Camp.
Camp.
It's a lovely space you have. Oh, I like the flowers.
Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
Muhammad Munir.
Mohammed Munir. Thank you for water. क्या? This woven will.
There's a cafe. We're here, we've reached at the Safari Desert Camp and we've got a nice green tea on welcome. Cheers. And there's dates. It's lovely. Very refreshing. I like the flowers in the background. So cute. And this is Safari Cafe. Excuse my halat, but my goodness, what is this place? Let me give you a tour before हम पूरा गंदा कर दे. This is the desert camp. हम यहाँ से just enter किए. There was a reception area, There are so many camps here. Ours is number 2. We have like बाहर बैठने का space and all. यहाँ पे और भी ऐसे camps है. Room number 1, 2, 3. Like when you say camps, mind में वो camp जैसा है वैसा थोड़ा आता है. But they have that as well, and they have rooms. And this is a room which looks like this, which is so crazy by the way, because you enter and it is like a proper hotel room sort of a thing. There's like all the coffee, tea and stuff like that. This is like a, I don't know, hanging stuff for our clothes and everything. There's a balcony here. ये इतना बड़ा space है chill करने के लिए. Then there's this bed, massive bed. There's an AC if needed, and aesthetics so like माशाल्लाह है यहाँ का. यहाँ पे आके again there's a full length balcony, और वो भी पीछे खुलता है to the desert. I'll just quickly freshen up and उसके बाद I'll show you different other camps also कि ये लोग के पास क्या क्या variety है. Honestly मुझे लग रहा है कि अब तक का मुझे लग रहा है कि वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कैंप्स हैं यहाँ पे. जितना मैंने ऑनलाइन रिसर्च किया था, सब कुछ किया था, एंड ऑनलाइन भी द फोटोज आर नॉट डूइंग जस्टिस टू दिस प्लेस, बिकॉज दिस प्लेस इज गिविंग लाइक अ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ 5-star सर्विस इन द मिडल ऑफ द डेजर्ट, विच इज़ so cool. I'm mind blown by the way. शावर लेती बिकॉज मेरी हालत पूरी ख़राब हो चुकी है. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the washroom, because हम जब कैंपिंग सोचते हैं तभी washrooms is the first thing जो हमें लगता है कि okay, that is probably something that I would skip on, because पहला थॉट आता है कि यार washroom का कंडीशन सही नहीं रहेगा. But wait for it. This is the washroom. Comes with a full length mirror right here. क्या ही है ये? All the toiletries that's required, shower, head shower, hand shower, both of it. God, the thing is कि मैं लाइट के साथ यहाँ पे नहीं दिखा सकती at this moment, because यहाँ का जो space है, because it's not crowded right now. 2-3 दिन पहले it was a entire national public holiday वाला thing, so there were a lot of people. So right now I think there's a scene where शाम को 5-5:30 के बाद इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑन होती है सुबह 8 या 9 तक, एंड देन थ्रू आउट द डे दे कंजर्व द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी because there's not like many people around, so they're like trying to save on that, which is cool because itni garmi nahi lag rahi as such, and light is not an issue. But theek hai, like we have an AC and everything, so I don't think we are going to even need that. But sham ke baad, when probably it gets a little darker, I can show you how lit this place gets. By the end of the video मैं सब details बता दूँगी कि how much does staying at this place cost, और यहाँ पे जो भी अलग अलग camps है वो है. Honestly this is very affordable in compared to everything else, and जो service वगैरह है वो तो अब तक ही you guys are seeing it's too good, too amazing. So मुझे लग रहा है like it's totally worth it. But सब details मैं vlog के end में बताऊँगी, so stay tuned and watch this entire video. Okay, so I am ready. This is my OOTD, all black. I want to get myself covered from the heat, and I even got this dupatta. Anyway, Mohammed is gonna take us around now. Oh my god, wow, the sun bathing. The light is better now. Okay, I don't really need the sunglasses as such. The light is better, so it's fine. चलो हम शायद वो ड्यून्स वगैरह में जाएंगे, थोड़ी मस्ती करेंगे. कैमल पे पता नहीं बैठूंगी कि नहीं, पर वो लोग ने हम लोग के लिए कैमल लेके आया है, तो I don't know. So Safari Desert Camp actually lives up by its name, because in this entire desert all I can see is their camp right over there. And it's like, okay, I've heard about private beaches and stuff, but I've never heard about private camps as a whole, because there is no other camp here that I can see, and it's just them, and they got us here at this very cool location. Mohammed over there sitting, chilling, just our car, two of us. We've heard about private beaches, but we've never heard about private tents, right? Yeah. Private tents, no, I meant private deserts.
क्या है?
ये क्या है?
नहीं, like this.
या बट ये क्या है?
पता नहीं. Beetle.
ए यार
इधर आ एज पे आ. ऐसे उधर ग्रीन दिख रहा. Humans saw this and chose to do a 9 to 5. चल फार्म हो जाए.
क्या?
रोली बोली नीचे तक.
बग
चल चल चल.
नहीं रे.
बट फार्म
चल.
क्या है? ऐसा क्यों होता है? अर्थ ऐसा भी है क्या?
और तो ऐसा भी है सागर. Hard to believe, right? It's lovely. Sun has set beautifully.
Just when we thought the desert couldn't surprise us anymore, we were invited to this beautiful little setup at our camp under the open sky with the cool desert breeze and the stars starting to peek through. There was live Omani roti, fresh on a traditional flat stove, served with jaggery and lots of ghee. Simple, sweet, and so comforting. We sipped on hot Omani coffee, perfect blend of spice and warmth, and for a moment, everything just slowed down. And then came dinner, a mix of authentic Omani dishes and even a few familiar American options laid out buffet style. It was the perfect way to wrap up a long day of exploring.
Good morning, you guys. I have woken up at 5:40 right now. And we've woken up to watch the sunrise, by the way, from the dunes. तो कल हमने देखा था sunset happening over here. Now the sunrise is gonna happen there. It's pretty dark still. Yeah, but the sun will rise like pretty soon. So dunes में मैंने कभी भी sunrise देखा नहीं है, तो it's going to be my first. I'm really excited. Let's go. Just quickly going to wear a jacket on top because बाहर काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंडी है. And then I'm gonna watch it. बस very excited. Guys, sunrise almost लग रहा है हो चुका है. Look at that. वो बहुत ठंडी है. My goodness. Desert in the morning and there's barely any sunrise. Imagine you're climbing the dunes right now. Good morning.
गाड़ी निकालते हैं फटाफट.
मोहम्मद को बोलना चाहिए था चाबी दे के जाए हमें. हम क्लाइंब करके जहाँ पे कल थे उतना ड्यून्स पे तो आ चुके हैं, बट अब तक सनराइज़ नहीं हुआ. तो हम इधर हमारे बॉनफायर के साथ कैंप कर रहे हैं, खुद का कैंप लगा रहे हैं. सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक 2, पानी लेके हम नहीं चढ़े अभी. एंड सेकेंड, मैं शूज़ पहन के नहीं आई हूँ. कैसे ना कैसे करके चढ़ी हूँ मैं, 4-5 बार गिर के. सुबह ज्योग्राफी क्लास दे रहा है बेसागर.
But this is different. सोच, एक मिनट सिखाने का चीज़ है ये. वन चीज सैंड पे जो चल रहा है, इधर देख, नीचे देख. देख, कलर चेंज नहीं होता है. But this somehow has changed the color because of the wind. It has formed only the red particles to come out. What could have formed that? Probably that white camel. वो white है वो.
हाँ, वो अपने लिए ही है.
अपने लिए थोड़ी ना रहे.
अपने लिए बुलाया गया था कल उसको, बिकॉज अपन ने बोला था अपने को कैमल चाहिए. या दे वर सो स्वीट लाइक दैट वे. हम लोग ने बोला हमें कैमल के साथ फोटोज खिंचाना है, तो एक ब्लैक, एक ब्राउन और एक वाइट कैमल, तीनों कलर लेके आए. चूज योर ऑप्शन फॉर द कैमल राइड. Not the ride. I mean, they thought we were gonna do the ride, but हम लोग नहीं. I have a theory on this. मैं इसका वीडियो बनाऊंगी once I go back to my camp. But अभी के लिए we are still waiting for the sunrise, जो अब तक नहीं आया है. बहुत टाइम पास कर रहा है. Look at the time. It's 6:40. 5:40. 1 घंटे पहले मैं उठी हुई थी.
गौरव आ गया.
कहाँ आया? देखो वो आ गया.
एक और ड्यून ऊपर जाएंगे तो दिख जाए.
इम्पॉसिबल. मैं चढ़ रही हूँ. मैं इतनी बार गिरी हूँ ना आज.
ये देखिए छोटे पैर.
ये किसके
This is
होंगे?
that bird, small bird.
Why is it walking when it has wings? Sunrise हो जाए प्लीज. मुझे लैप्स लेना है अभी. Bye. So, quite ready. I think I really like my look, by the way. It's very like raw and like desert like. And we are going for breakfast right now. मुझे ना थोड़े बहुत अच्छे photos खींचने, तो मैंने उनको बोला है that they can do a setup like in the desert, but other than that they have like a whole restaurant area, and then there's thoda outdoor area as well. And after breakfast Mohammed will come and we'll leave with him. I can see so many camels udhar khade hai, so they are just walking randomly, and they're just like normal camels, you know, they're not with their owners or anything. So itna interesting lag raha that we are sharing the same land, and it's just like they're so free, because maine aise itne free kabhi nahi dekhe. Even in the morning we saw one camel literally gir gaya और पूरा घूम रहा है मिट्टी में, और ऐसे लग रहा है कि पता नहीं मतलब what was he doing, he was playing around or something. Anyway, ये है उनका जो outdoor area type, and this is the indoor. Like everything that you look, sub aesthetics are on point. And this is the outdoor area, again another outdoor area where I want to you know, sit and do my breakfast. क्या cool है ऐसे सब बैठना. There's a camel here, but that's not real, and a baby camel. Again, not real. You see those camels? They're just randomly walking slowly. Let me also show you all the breakfast options that they have. This juices, beans, egg bhurji. Then they have pancakes. Yum, I wanna eat pancakes. ये ओमानी रोटी है. The sliced breads, fruits, cut fruits, yogurt, dates, butter, cheese, jam, cornflakes and cereal, cold milk, and there's hot water, hot milk, tea and Omani coffee, and just some water. Oh, we're doing it here. Wow. Breakfast bread is so amazing. Bread के साथ liquid cheese tastes so good. Plus यहाँ की ओमानी रोटी is so soft. और उसको मैं beans के साथ खा रही हूँ because मैं अंडा नहीं खाती हूँ, but यहाँ पे अंडा भुर्जी भी है. And then I'm having this cereal bowl which is so good again. Pancake खाना बाकी है, तो pancake का खा के मैं taste बताती हूँ कैसा है, but I want some more bread. So Sagra's gone. And there was this one female who had come. So she's from the local tribe here. They live in the desert, and she comes with her whole like souvenirs or, you know, things to sell maybe. So she was right here, and they speak their own language. So thoda matlab that was a little new for me, but I told her I'm gonna come out and meet her after my breakfast is done. So she's waiting for me now. मैं खा के उसके तरफ जाती हूँ. And then so even in summers they stay here. हम वापस desert में गए थे near the dunes. The good part about this camp is इसके आजू बाजू इतने सारे camels है, मज़ा आ गया. And they're all like wild camels, but वो लोग कुछ करते नहीं है. हम लोग जाके black camel, white camel, brown camel सबको मिल के आए अभी. सबसे बात किया थोड़ा बहुत और बाय बाय बोला. Now we are going back to our camp. हमारा camp actually पूरा खाली हो गया. Everyone's left before it got really hot. हम ही पागल है थोड़े जब तक है. But anyway, Mohammed is also here, so now we'll also leave.
Now here's the thing, we didn't get time to do the ATV rides, sandboarding or the iconic camel safari, but trust me, this place has it all. From desert adventures to those peaceful chai under the stars moments, it's one of those experiences that really brings Oman to life. So if you are planning a trip here, I 100% recommend booking Safari Desert Camp, even if it's just for one night. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I love you.